So what's going on, everybody? Today is Tuesday. Today is the 19th of November. So we last left off on me returning my boost controller, the Grady boost controller. And I was going to go down and get Hondata. And I did go down and get Hondata. Took it down to get it installed in this P28 computer. The problem is when I got there, the homie Bubba cracked open that computer and one of the capacitors was fried. But he said I could fix it, not a problem. As he plugs it into his cool little machine that has all the dials on it, which has like boost, freaking VTEC, nitrous, RPMs, all the different little sensors on it, he's toggling them back and forth. It doesn't register, like nothing works. Like he said, dude, there's a problem with this, like this thing's toast, like it's fried, like it ain't working at all. And I was just like, fuck, dude, like really? So luckily Bubba had a stack of ECUs, but he's like, I don't know if I have a P28. So we went through the stacks. He had a P28. It was perfect. It was a virgin. He made it happen. Like, he was the rescue, because I went on eBay and I bought it, like I said. Now, it had a little name on it from Facebook. I didn't buy it on Facebook. I bought it on eBay. And I bought it from probably a junkyard and not the person that built that computer originally for whoever crashed that car probably and wound up in a junkyard. Anyways, off subject. So he ended up hooking me up, got the Hondata installed in the ECU that he provided me that he had at his shop. This one. And I mean, luckily it made it worth it. So Bubba hooked it up. And Bubba has his own shop. He does dyno tuning, he does engine building, motor swaps, he does it all. And the name of his shop, if anybody's curious, he's in Long Beach, California, is Do It Dyno Performance. Shout out to Bubba, dude. Thanks so much for everything you did for my car. And that little thing I was talking about, how he plugged it in, he had all the little dials and he was going back and forth. I swear it was like DJing back in the days. I used to DJ too. So just to see him go back and forth with it, I was like, dude, he's in the mix. But he installed it. Took him a couple of minutes, like literally a couple of minutes, and he was done. So on top of that, we talked about this little bad boy. Let's see. So I went with that. And that right there, as you guys saw, it says Honda 4-port boost control installation, whatever. So this is so I could do boost by gear in my car. When I'm all nice and dyno tuned, I can adjust my boost by each gear that I'm in. And on top of that, I bought the Hondata map sensor. And the reason why I went with Hondata's map sensor is I found out that they pretty much have a lifetime warranty on theirs. Now, I could be wrong, correct me, but I mean, that's what I was told. Or that's how I understood it. Not that I was told, but that's how I understood it. As long as it's not broken, destroyed from, you know, pulling out the motor, leaving it on the throttle body, and then freaking it getting hit on the firewall, you know, because I'm not saying any names, but I know some people that have done it. Anyways, myself, I got all those things, and it was awesome. Bubba was cool as hell. Like, I think we spent more time in front of his shop talking about the old days, the 90s, when coming up in the scene, doing different things to the cars. Like, he was a really cool cat, and I appreciate you, Bubba. Like, that was dope of you. You came out, you did all that, like, really quick. You weren't even going to go to the shop that morning. You were going to go somewhere else, but you came out to the shop and you did it for me. Real quick, bang, bounced. But anyways, so Bubba did that, and you know what? I'm not going to bore you guys. That's pretty much the end of this video. I'm going to leave it at that, and on top of that, I'm going to add the video of Bubba playing with the little dials back and forth. So this video might be like under 10 minutes long. And cool. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Or not. We're still at the beginning of the week. But anyways, hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving. I'll probably drop a video. I might do one this Thursday. If not, then I'll do it on Tuesday. I'm going to try to do these videos like every Tuesday, possibly every Tuesday and Thursday. I don't know how I'm gonna work it, but anyways, you guys will know. If you guys like what I'm posting, hey, hit the like button. Let me know. Say something down in the comments, and if you guys got a question, let me know. I'll answer it as best as I can. And if I don't know the answer, I'll try to ask one of my friends their opinion on that question. So, y'all have a good week. Be safe, y'all. Peace out.
You see that?
Yeah.
And then see, this is like RPMs and bed limit. So everything works on this computer. See that?
Yeah.
Okay. So and then this bad boy right here. Doesn't do anything.
Okay.
So this thing's completely shot.
Fun times, fun times. That's fucking cool, dude. That's way cool.
Yeah, so everything show you works. I mean, the voltage is low because I have it on a fish tank fucking adapter, but everything works. You know what I'm saying?
Map everything. Yeah.
Yeah, I even have the stupid nitrous hooked up to this thing. Like,
We got nitrous hooked up as well.
yeah, I have nitrous hooked up to it. So let me just do the boost component. I just wanted to show you that it worked first. You know what I'm saying?
That's fucking awesome.